Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Mech Merlin's keyboard group buy news. Let's see, who's here today? I see NoyDB, Yo Mazin, Kajata, Noah, Crucified Poo, Pork Chop Express, Misery Myra, Invoker, Big Euro. Thanks, guys, for joining in. Invoker subscribing with Prime. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, we are back, guys. Sorry I missed last week. We had some unforeseen circumstances pop up. So normally I would have a video ready, but last week was just a complete, complete train wreck. We were prepared for the heat waves here in Seattle, but all of our backup plans completely failed, which is why we did not have a stream last week. Here we go. For those new to the show, this is a show that occurs every week, except for last week. Last week was bad, but this show occurs every week, and we discuss all group buys. Group buys, not interest checks, that are happening on a weekly basis. This week's episode will cover everything occurring between July 4th, Sunday, and July 10th, Saturday. All the way on MelGeek, MG Salmon for $100. You get all that. So basically, MG is a lower profile SA. If you like SA profile, but it's too high for you, you might like MG. So yeah, base kit's $100, sushi kit for $25, alternative kit for 10, space kit for 10 as well. If you wanted to buy everything in this group buy, expect to be spending about $150. Let's take a look at some of these renders. There, I guess I have to click on each one of them. They don't auto expand. Here, let's try that. There we go. Not a bad looking key set if you ask me. Maybe a little too orange for my taste. See that? Orange on white set. Not too bad here. Let's see. Expected shipping date. Let's take a look. Ends on July 5th. Lead time 6 months. Okay, so yeah, there's a chance that it'll arrive at your doorstep before the end of the year. Fingers crossed, of course. Oh, never mind. Estimated ship date is end of January 2022. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys are looking for something that feels like SA but not as high, check out MG Salmon. This expires on the 5th. Next key set that is expiring on the 7th. Is ePBT Solaria. Here you go, all the way on Valve Supply. For $105, you get a base kit covering most of the common layouts up to TKL. So you got Novelkeys for 19, accents for 19 as well, icon mods for 19, numpad 25, 40s for 25, space bars for 15, international for 25, Acero for 60, and Salmon for 60 as well. Here we go. Check it all out. So this is an ePBT set, guys. Check it out. I believe when I first talked about this, I mentioned that I loved the colors. I still do, but not sure I'm gonna get in on it quite yet. I like the color of the legends, and I like the color of the legends on the alphas and legends on the mods, but not so much the accent colors. So if I were to get this, I would not get any of the accents. Expected to ship in early Q2 22. Not so bad. Pretty good. The reverse die sub legends. Okay. This is probably one of the few reverse die sub ones, so I'm not sure if that would apply to this, just because the process of die subbing is completely different. I would be very curious to see how these turn out, and it's actually one of the reasons why I'm not buying it. Anyway, if you guys are curious and want to buy this set, base kit's only $105. If you want to buy every single kit, expect to be spending about $380. I1A says ePBT is still working on new reverse die sub molds. There we go. Yeah, I would like to see some confirmation that those molds work properly before I put money in, just to be sure. The next set that is expiring is on the 8th. There we go. So, disclaimer. This is a set that I'm currently in on. I made my purchase for this. So, I have money invested in this set. Okay? So, disclaimer. But yeah, base kit goes for 120, numpad for 30, accent for 25, spacebar 17, novelties 38, Mac 30, Nord 30, Acero, the artisan keycap is $68. So yeah, check it out. Let's go check out all of these renders. But yeah, here's it on the Satisfaction. That looks really good on like E-White. Yeah, that looks so good on an E-White board. See, a clear board, polycarb, not bad either. Yeah, what I got was the base and the accents. I wasn't too thrilled about these novelties right here. So the thing with this profile is very few key sets are using this. So the estimated time of arrival to your doorstep is Q4 of 2021. But given our delays, I'm still expecting this around Q1 of 2022, which is still faster than GMK. Much faster than GMK. So yeah, not bad. If you wanted to buy every item in this group buy, expect to be spending about $500. This is Aluvia. This is basically a cherry profile aluminum key set variant of GMK Aluvia. Yeah, check it out, guys. Check it out here. This is the coverage right here. Supports, let's see, a lot of the more common layouts up to TKL. You've got Sangan. You don't have 660 support. You got 65 and 75 support. You got split right shift. Yeah, okay. But for $350, I'm kinda hesitant to recommend this to like anyone. To me, this is more of a novelty key set. This is like a collector piece, right? For me, I would never use this even if I bought it, just because I prefer the texture of plastic over metal. Also, if you live in a very cold environment, you'll wake up one morning, try and type on your board, and all your keycaps are cold. So yeah, group buy will run until the 9th. And let's see, when is scheduled delivery? Oh, shipped out in Q4 of 2021. So this year might be good in time for Christmas. Next key set that is expiring is also expiring on the 9th. All the way on Omni type. The GMK Symbiote for $124.99, or I guess that's just $125. You can get a base kit all the way up to full size, covering most of the standard layouts. We got Galactic for $43, Accents for $30. What is this? Containment, I think this is ISO keys for $33. Sequence novelties for $33. Extension for $40. Macros for $25, and a 40s kit for $43. Not bad. Here we go. Look at that. So unfortunately, this is another key set that I can't really see, so can't comment too much on it, unfortunately. If you guys are interested in this set expires on the 9th. Base kit's about $125. If you wanted to get in on everything, every single kit available, along with dust mat, expect to be spending about $450. So yeah, let me link that in chat again and we'll move on to the next one. If you guys caught my interest check videos, I talked about this as being one of those key sets that, you know, because you see it everywhere, it's kind of boring, but at the same time, if it wasn't good looking, it wouldn't actually be everywhere. So yeah. Now, I thought about getting the set, but I can't exactly just buy multiple kits each week, right? So this week I chose to go with Carpinteria, but probably if I wasn't going with Carpinteria, this is the set that I would go for. I like the very muted look right there. But yeah, for 125 bucks, you are looking at a base kit that goes all the way up to TKL. Yeah, kind of expensive if you ask me. Your numpads 45, spacebars for 30, desk mat for 17. Let's go through all of the renders here, starting from the very first one. At least it comes with novelties in the base. Yeah, I mentioned that in my IC review as well. But at the same time, the novelties really aren't anything to write home about. Not bad, not a bad looking key set at all. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this, base kit's $125. If you wanted to buy every single kit here, you're looking at roughly $200. Alright, the last key set that is expiring this week is expiring on the 10th, actually. This is GMK Lime. Check it out, all the way on drop. For 120 bucks for base kit. Let's see, let's go take a look at what the base kit entails. Base kit covers all the way up to full size. Novelties are 45 bucks and space bars are $25. Expected date of delivery, I believe, is April 29th of 2022. Very, very specific. Pretty cool as well. But yeah, let's go take a look at all of these renders. See, let's start from the... I guess we can go to the very first one. There we go. There it is. Yeah, a lot of people were complaining that that enter key looks absolutely ugly. I would agree with you, but to its defense, I would say that this is one of those key sets which the accents don't really... I don't think it does the set justice. If I were to buy this set, I wouldn't put any accents on it at all. This set is very nostalgic for me, says Frostfire. I know. I kind of like it. If you guys know me, a lot of the aesthetics that I end up liking always end up having lighter colored alphas and darker colored mods, and this one absolutely fits it. But yeah, if you wanted to join in on this, expect to be spending 120 base kit, about 250 to buy all of the kits, along with the custom lime cable and all that. PBT Frost, kind of looking nice. I think it's okay. Like, 79 bucks is actually very compelling, but at the same time, it's all the same color. So it's like, not so sure if it's worth it or not. Let's see, when is this supposed to be delivered? It's supposed to be delivered in 6 months. Okay, not too bad. So January, February timeframe. Not bad at all. Let me post this in chat so people can take a look at it. Frost glitch, protos didn't really stack up versus the renders. That's what I heard as well. Guys, this one is expiring on the 7th as well. That's the same day as Solaria. There we go. Let me put this in the right order so I don't miss it. Yeah, 79 bucks for the keycap set and $50 for the artisan. The artisan actually looks pretty good. So let me ask again, out of these 8 key sets, which one are people most interested in? Once again, that's MG Salmon, ePBT Solaria, DSS Carpinteria, Aluvia, GMK Symbiote, GMK Boho, GMK Lime, and PBT Frost. Which ones are you guys most interested in? One Way Theory says, Solaria still has my heart. Awesome. Symbiote. Young Homie says, yes. Yes. GMK Boho. Frost. You mean Frost. Aluvia. MJ Salmon. Buddy says, not Frost. Still Carpinteria. Symbiote, none. I'm done GBs for right now. Bol de Boli, hopefully I'm pronouncing that name correct. Thank you for subscribing with Prime. Ting Slayer says, ordered Stargaze, so no more tendencies for coming week. DSS Carpinteria, nice, very nice. So as I was saying earlier, the only key set that I'm actually in on, it's actually very rare that what I present here I've actually bought. You know, I think a lot of people have misinterpreted what this stream is about. Some people think this is a group buy review stream. Some people think this is a recommendation stream, but no, this is not a recommendation stream. This is not a review stream. It's me presenting the news of what's happening this week. The set that I'm currently in on is DSS Carpinteria. I'm in on the base and the accent. Yeah, those are the two kits that I'm buying from this. But if I had all the money in the world, I'd probably pick up GMK Boho and ePBT Solaria as well. Prof Husky gifting 1 tier 1 sub. Thank you. See, congratulations to Stomoha. Thank you. Those are the key sets. Let's talk about the keyboards that are ending this week. Here we go. Very first keyboard that is ending this week is expiring tomorrow. This is the Pixel Space Studio and KBD fans Endless 80 keyboard. So yeah, this is another one of those boards that has quite a few options, case and weight options, plates available in aluminum, polycarbonate and brass, PCB, solder, and hot swap. So yeah, TKL kit, where at its top end, getting the most premium components, expect to be spending, let's see, looks to be, here, let's go look, $459 at the top end. Let's see, some quick specs on this. Got RGB, it's got USB interface module. Oh cool, it's got like a little shield there. Here, specs. Top mount, 5-degree typing angle, TKL, supporting QMK and VIA. Pretty much all the usual stuff right here. I don't know, honestly, it doesn't really look all that great to me. And especially at 459 bucks at the top end, I'm not sure if this would ever interest me. Okay, good. They've got a sci-fi inspired keyboard build. Okay. Does RGB lights make it sci-fi enough? Not so sure. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this, you guys got till tomorrow. The next keyboard that is expiring, this one is pretty interesting, I'd say. If you're into vintage designs, if you're into a vintage design, check out the Hello M0110 keyboard kit right there. If you've seen these boards in the dumpster or at some museum somewhere, this is the modern take of it. What's different this time around is that it is top mounted with a gasket conversion kit included. So yeah, looks very much like the keyboard that it's trying to replicate with some added stuff. Look at that brass weight there. I think it looks pretty good. Though I feel like if you were to buy this, you're kind of limited to putting vintage inspired key sets on it, right? Yeah, for 338 bucks, that's not bad at all. You can choose between standard and HHKV. You can choose beige, E-white, silver, gray, or a fog polycarbonate. Does this use the i03 daughter board or custom one? The pictures don't seem to indicate any room for a daughter board. It's hard to see. really hard to see on this one. Even though it does say this, JST connector to daughter board, so who knows? Who knows? So apparently, it's a 4-pound board when built. Not bad. Not bad at all. And yeah, check it out by the 9th if you guys are interested in a vintage inspired board. I will have to do more digging into this. But yeah, if it says daughter board, then it uses a daughter board. But it does strike me as strange that it won't that it won't specify that it's the IO3 daughter board, because I think that's, you know, that's a good thing to say, right? It's a good thing to say. The Aozora kit for 199 bucks. You get a 68 key style board, quite similar to what I'm using right now, actually, the Icky 68. 199 for the base models, but if you want the E-White variant, expect to be spending about $219.99. You still also have a plate and badge. Aluminum or brass available, doesn't really change the price no matter which one you pick. Extra key above the right arrow is interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. That reminds me of the Matthias 75% keyboard. I think that's supposed to be kind of like an FN key of sorts. This is one of the few boards that I've seen that on. Let's see, when is this supposed to be delivered? Okay. Well, first off, it's a 6-degree sandwich mount. Screw-in stabilizer support only. This board does not support clip-on stabilizers. We're currently planning to begin shipping 3 to 4 months after the conclusion of the group buy. Wow, that is fast. That's really quick. Q4 2021, so this could get to you by Christmas time. That's not bad at all. I believe these are the only 3 boards that are expiring. So out of these 3, the Endless 80, the M0110, and the Aozora, which one are you guys most interested in? Aozora, M0110, Aozora, Happy Tailwag says pass, Iwane says Aozora, if I had to get one. Aozora, Buddy says I'm cool, none, pass, Sumi's black and Fukai's dark blue. There we go, yep. I may be colorblind, but I'm not wrong all the time. New affordable kits every week. I know, right? I know, right? Cool. Let's see. Out of these keyboards, the one that I'd probably pick is the Aozora. But the M0110 interests me the most, just because it's unique, you know? It's really unique. Anyway, we do have one item that is not a key set, and it's not a keyboard that is expiring. And I believe some people mentioned it earlier, but it is tied to the Carpinteria key set. It is the KTT Carpinteria switch. There you go, let me post the link for all of you guys. It's all the way on 3D Keebs, the same people selling the actual key set. Here we go, this one also ends on the 8th. This is a tactile switch. Tactile switch with a long pull, so you get all that thock. How heavy is it? Oh, 50G. 50G. There we go. So, to be honest, I am tempted to pick this up, even if I'm not a tactile user, just so I can try it out. Super curious. Super curious. But yeah, these are $4 for 10, and delivery date is... I actually don't know when this is being delivered, but I would imagine if you buy this along with the group buy, it'll be delivered along with the group buy. This is the time of the show where I tabulate everything, guys. So yeah, if you were to join every single group buy, with every single group buy from Melgeek's MG Salmon to the KTT Carpinteria Switch, if you were to join every single group buy this week, buy all the kits in a key set, all the premium options in a keyboard, desk mats, all that good stuff, you are looking to be spending $3,000 $3,421.88. That's $3,421.88, and that does not include shipping, customs fees, or taxes. $3,421.88. But yeah, we won't be doing a missed group buy section just because I missed the entire show last week, and we'd be here for another 2.5 hours if I went there. So yeah, we will talk about in-stock segments right here. There are a few items that I'd like to point out. One of them being something I'm very surprised is still in stock. Super surprised. All the way on Omnitype. Omnitype is selling quite a few extras of some popular key sets, and one of them, actually one of my favorite key sets, is the GMK Nautilus, and I am super surprised that it's still available. You know, obviously for quite a huge upcharge, 185 bucks. I actually looked at how much this would cost to like ship to me, and this is looking at a $210. So at that price, even though I love this key set so much, I've got it on my Jane in the back there. $200 for this? I'm kind of like, no, I'll just stick with the DSS Carpinteria. So yeah, pretty expensive, right? The next in-stock item that I want to talk about, I actually built my Element G67 with it this past weekend. This is the Gateron Full Nylon Yellow Switch. These are the KS3s. The difference between this and a regular Gateron Milky Yellow is that its entire housing is made out of nylon, making this a little more thocky, a little more deeper sounding. Of course, some of its competitors are like the JWK Lavenders or the FF switches. Those two other switches are a little bit more expensive, whereas this one is $2.30 for 10. So yeah, these are my preferred thocky switch. Yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. Alright, let's talk about starting group buys. Alright, very first key set that is starting this week is starting tomorrow. Here we go. DSA Berry Yogurt. There we go. Look at that. If you're tired of cherry profile and want something that's flat, something low profile and flat, consider DSA Berry Yogurt. So base kit's 110 bucks, numpads 35, novelties 35, ergo 35, international 60, blueberry accents 35, strawberry accents are 40. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Let's look at that base kit. Pretty much everything up to TKL right here. And the cool thing about a uniform profile is, like, you don't need to add additional keys to accommodate like your rightmost column on a 65%. This one just works. This one just works. I don't see DSA all that often. Yeah, a lot of people are on that cherry train, you know. People like how cherry profile types, while a majority of people prefer it, doesn't necessarily mean that it's the best. See, blueberry accents kit. Novelties, pretty cute if you ask me. And looks like all the colors are actually Signature Plastics default colors, or stock colors if you will. Picture of chips. See that? And rendered. Oh, that looks really good on a gray board. Alright guys, I think I have like a frog in my throat. I really have to grab that water. BRB! BRB. I know, we got something else here. Trader Joe's Organic Cold Brew Black Tea, Raspberry and Black Currant. Here, let's try this. Let's say Pro Husky Redeemed Hydrate. There we go, just in time. Just in time. Let's keep talking about this. We're going through the renders. There's the Molly. Koyu. There we go. Vendors are going to be Valve Supply here in the US. You've got Alpha Keys, Prototypus, My Keyboard, Asia, Zion Studios, and Daily Clack. But yeah, $110 for this. That's because it's signature plastics. I guess it's okay, but I would have preferred if this was cheaper. Oh yeah, check it out by tomorrow if you guys are interested. Here we go. GMK Pacific right there. When I first saw this, I was like, I swear I've seen this colorway before. And I was thinking, is it Rainy Day? Was it GMK Rainy Day? Was it But yeah, when I first saw this, I was just like, okay, I think this might be another key set that I'm gonna have to buy. So I really like these colors. Let's see, all colors are custom colors, Pantones and all that. Let's see, renders. Let's go look at all these renders right here. Very pretty. A darker mod, rainy day. I think what I like the most about this is the color of the alphas. You know? It's not just your regular white, it's actually like a muted white, kind of a grayish white right there. Let's see. Yeah, this is looking really good. Let's go look at Desmats. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Wait, what? With Iron 165 collaboration with the badge. That's just really cool. Cool. Okay, vendors are gonna be Space Keebs, Ash Keebs, Candy Keys, Prototypist, Switch Keys, Island KB, Swag Keys, and Z Frontier. Let's say pricing will be shared very, very soon. I'm expecting this key set, especially since it's all, since it's all custom colors and it's full size, I'm expecting this to be roughly a $135 key set. $135 key set, novelties being around 50 to 60 bucks, and space bars probably 30 to 35. That's my guess. That's my guess. There we go. Next one. Next key set that is starting is one that's been talked about a lot. I was actually expecting it to go live earlier, but I guess it's finally here. This is GMK Bingsu Round 2, starting on the 7th. July 7th. Check it out. I don't quite remember if this was super popular when it first came out. But I know, I guess I just don't pay too much attention to sets that I can't quite see. Like, I do have to say that the novelties look real cute, but I can't make out exactly what the color is. I know it's purple, but I can't see it all that well. Like this one, like I can see the modifiers and stuff. These look to be brownish of sorts. Symbiote was big brain to run before this. I'm sure it siphoned some people. Yeah, that's true. That's true. See, I love GMK Bingsu. The novelties and R5 will be nice. More burgundy, wine red. Mods are brownish. Okay. Yeah. Deathmat. Oh, these Deathmats are so cute. Original mango, matcha, strawberry. Yeah, let's see. Was it NorCal? Yeah, I think it was NorCal of 2018. I was hanging out with 159 of Project Keyboards. So me, him, and a bunch of other people, we went to a bar, and then after that, we went to this Bingsu place 30 minutes before it closed. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna have any. Let's just go to another bar. And then he kept insisting that we all go. He's like, this is awesome. This is gonna be really good. So we finally relented and went with him. And yeah, I've forgotten the name of the store, but it was some damn good Bingsu. It was really good. So probably the next time we meet up again, hopefully in NorCal this year, maybe next year, I'll go ask him. see. Collars are all custom except for the white. GMK CP, not bad. Round 1 photos, okay. Cool. Yeah, I think that's like the benefit of like round 2s, round 3s. Because you already know what round 1 looks like. So Evolution says, what's your favorite Bingsu chain? I'm not a big fan of Bingsu. That's why I was kind of like, you know, not really wanting to go with the 159 that night. Just went with the crowd. But then as soon as I had it, I was like, oh, this is actually really good. The vendor is Project Keyboard, of course. And you have Dust Hero, My Keyboard, Prototypist, Daily Clack, Island KB, Z Frontier, Fancy Customs, and Swag Keys. And it looks like there's pricing already. 120 for the base, not bad. Pretty good pricing there. Let's see. Ending on August 8th. Ship date Q3 of 2022. Yeah, that's pretty much just a year already. Holy cow. Anyway, if you guys want to join this, make sure you read about it and check in on the 7th. Next key set that is starting is GMK Art. Check it out, GMK Art, starting on July 9th. Let's see, vendors are Mexico, Dust Hero, Candy Keys, Z Frontier, Monokay, Daily Clack, Fancy Customs, Prototypist, and Swag Keys. I swear I've talked about this before. Maybe I talked about this on the week that it was supposed to go live, but it didn't go live. Can't seem to remember. Do you guys remember me talking about this? Because I vaguely remember talking about it. Oh yes, okay, I see it now. I see it. I definitely did talk about this because I remember the novelties. I remember these novelties. I remember not liking them. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. They changed the accent color. Okay. Okay, I remember these novelties and I remember not liking them. That's what I remember. I guess this is like, you know, some people like art, some people don't. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? And to me, this is a set that didn't impress me the first time I saw it and still doesn't impress me now. But I guess if you're looking for another take on a black on white type kit, this might be the kit to go for. But yeah, check it out. Check it out. This one's starting on the 9th. Let's see, another key set occurring on the 9th. Check it out. Another key set occurring on the 9th is GMK, hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, Higanbana. Am I pronouncing that correctly? GMK Higanbana. Group by date from July 9th to August 9th. Symbolic flower meanings. Hana Katoba. In China, Higanbana symbolizes luck. Pure and beauty. In Korea... Okay. Interesting. So, lots of different myths. Cool. Okay. When I look at this key set, I think it's a little too saturated for my takes. But I do like these novelties, you know, these novelties look beautiful to me. I just wish that they came in like a different color. You know? My type of novelties, but not my type of color. Mods kits. Let's see. I think if all the if the mods were the same color as the alphas, I would like this more. But the way that it is in the base kit, not so much. Not so much. Here, let's go look at the renders. Renders will usually sell or not sell me on a kit. Yeah, here we go. This is what I was talking about, having the alphas and the modifiers be the same color. This one looks a lot better. This looks so much better. The red mods, not so much. Kabar says GMK Red Samurai. Okay, on an HHKB, this actually looks pretty good. Having the two bottom modifiers in red, that actually looks good. I like that. See, all colors are custom as well. The Desmat, oh, that's very classy. I like that. Ooh, pollen. I'm allergic to pollen. Okay. Wow, so much lore here. I like that. Right, vendors are gonna be Z Frontier, Island KB, Base Keys, My Keyboard, Prototypist, Valve Supply, Fancy Customs, Daily Clack, and Desk Hero. Cool. Very nice. Let's see, sleeves, collaborations, quad cables, wrist rest, nice, and pricing to be updated. Okay. Given the fact that it is a full size and with all custom colors, I'm guessing this is going to be $134 again. Sherfro says, any news on when the D60 Lite group buy will go live? Does anyone in the audience know? See, Tinkslayer says, reminds me of IFK Sanctuary. Yeah, that's actually true. Let me go pull that up. Sanctuary, another Diablo key set. Okay, yeah, I see that. I see it. Except for Sanctuary, it's like this. So kind of the same, but not really. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the set goes live on the 9th. Well, check it out. Check it out. Alright guys, so normally at this time I've got an audience group buy section, but as many of you now know, today is July 4th, so the wife and I are hoping to go down to the waterfront and see some fireworks. It's currently still not too dark, so we don't anticipate that happening anytime soon, but we do want to get ready and drive down, beat the crowd and all that, find a nice place to like sit and watch. So yeah, I think this will be the end of the stream. Just to do a quick recap, all the starting group buys of this week are DSA Berry Yogurt, GMK Pacific, GMK Bingsu, GMK Art, and GMK Higanbana. Before we end, just wanted to see a quick show of hands. What's your favorite key set that's starting this week? Let me know. See, Professor Husky says Pacific, probably Bingsu, GMK Pacific, okay. Bingsu and Pacific. Crucified Pooh says Stargaze. Wasn't Stargaze last week's news? Pacific, Yogurt, Art, Pacific, DSA Berry Yogurt, Art, surprisingly, Pacific. Yeah, Pacific is looking to be the more popular one this time. Oblivion was also last week. So yeah, that's all I've got. We are gonna try and go down to the waterfront now. maybe see if we can grab some alcohol along the way. But yeah, thanks guys for joining in. My next stream will be this coming Tuesday. I'll be unboxing another board. So yeah, we will try it out another day. This particular stream will show up not Monday morning, but Tuesday morning. So yeah, it'll be edited down to roughly an hour long, so you guys can watch and see what all the news is all about. And to everyone here who is in the United States, happy 4th of July. Hope you enjoy the fireworks, hope you enjoy time with your family, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye everyone.